Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Due to unforeseen complications, I have moved locations, and now I live in a different house. So, it's time for me to make a new video for being... What food do you want to make now? Because it's going to be a really simple staple you can make for your family, girlfriend. You can do this with whoever you like. It's a good food. I'll be making the Tokyo hors d'oeuvres. Some of you will notice this is a new pan because something very important has happened. I now have fire. Luncheon meat. You don't want some kind of bread-like thing that you can use to serve them. You could also just use toast. I have often made this meal with just toast to impress girls, and it's honestly so cold in my apartment that it's hard for me to hold this camera without it shaking. Nozaki no Pork. So that means the pork of Nozaki. It's a lot cheaper than... First impression is it smells like Spam and it looks like Spam. Let's see what happens when we try to get it out of the can. Well, let's have a comparison right now. There appears to be a higher fat content. It doesn't seem to have quite the same texture. I'm curious what it will be like once we fry this up. For $2 less, is this a superior option to other forms of pork products? Oh yeah, now we're cooking with gas. You'll notice is that it's a lot fattier looking Spam. I don't know if that means that it's either more natural or lower quality meat. That's a question for somebody else. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get that pan nice and... We're gonna put the Spam in, unlock the fat, and render it down to use a handful of fat. But actually, the cool thing about fire is it heats up bacteria, and the bacteria will die. I don't know why, but it just keeps turning off. Fuck! Starting to burn at the... Oh no, they're all burning! I don't know how to cook with fire. Oh no, it's really burning. See, that's where all the flavors... I gotta make sure the... smoke, there's too much, just really high flame, so that's probably why this is burning. Oh no, fuck! So, I have a secret strategy for how to, when it's burning, you gotta get all the surface areas to fight the burn. It's called smash in place. You smash it in place so that you can break up the pieces. It'll be like cutting it so that it... Anyway, that way you get more coverage of the whole. Just really strange. I feel like I have to keep moving the pan around in order for it to work, but... So once it starts looking a little bit like this, you got... I thought that was supposed to be tomorrow. You know, maybe not all the way through, but, you know, it's kind of cooked. And this is about the time that you can start adding your eggs. What we're actually making is a scrambled eggs with Spam inside the scrambled eggs on toast. Okay, well, in a bit we can also show how to assemble a closet. I'll put it... It'll go in this corner. Okay, right. I got a corn cooking my breakfast on the pork to the other burner. Alright, so everything seems to be proceeding nicely now. So we're going to put the closet right here. This is gonna work out. Oh, see, look at that beautiful brown. So as you can see, this is not real wood. It's just some shitty MDF. We're gonna add the eggs, and we're just gonna kind of whip it up, really simple. Throw in a little bit of spices, not much salt because this Spam comes with a lot of salt on its own. But you know, maybe some cumin. I'll explain it later. This baby up. This is the second box. Now, I have 2 sets of screwdrivers. I just cut the cardboard instead of the tape. I'm gonna go with this one. My 8-man grip boy. The first thing you do is you grab one of these bracket. This is the 8-man. This is the 8-man grip boy. Alright, it's been 25 minutes, and I finished this thing. So I've got a tight screw up ahead, and let me show you what makes the 8-min Grip Boy so damn versatile.
So while I assembled the shelf, as you see here, I also cooked the meals over there.
So we still got just a little bit of fat left in the pan. Let's bring that flame up just so we can unlock some more of that fat. Now's the time we've all been waiting for. It's time to throw in the eggs. Now the thing about eggs, of course, is cooking them requires a lot of patience and some really kind of key timing. So just one thing to take note of whenever you build something like this. Don't over tighten the screws. So remember how I was talking about how my tool actually has that special feature that lets you get really tight? Well, what that does in this case is voila! That throws everything out of alignment and also strips everything out. So let's make it 3 eggs. Timing is very important, so let's get in there before oh shit, we were gonna throw in some spices, so let's do that as well. Fuck. And in a second, we're gonna reattach the middle part to hold these two sections together. I don't have any wood glue. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I gotta assemble it. Oh, so we have these 4 poles that came with these screws. So we're going to use these poles and screws to these 2 segments together, as shown in this diagram. There we go, we got the basic frame going.
Now the pièce de résistance. This cotton well.
Ta-da! All I gotta do is move this painting. I don't know where to put it. Obviously, this isn't quite a shelf yet, so we're gonna have to see, look at what other kind of stuff needs to be added. So, I guess number 1, I gotta screw in base plate 2. I got these 2 metal pieces, they're wood pieces in place. Now, let's go back and see how the eggs are doing. Okay, well, all we gotta do is heat these back up, and they'll be ready to serve. Proportion of egg to spam isn't so great, so let's just throw in another egg while we're at it. Meantime, let's try and see if we can get these support bars into place. So we're gonna put one basically every place that they got one of these horizontal things, we're gonna put one of these. Now, I may be half white, but I do love my seasoning. I think that everything should have a little bit of spice, because spice is the stuff of life. So I'm going to add a little bit of table pepper. There we go. That's enough so that we make sure that it's got some nice, strong flavors. It's going to be a little bit spicy because of the black pepper. Serve it with a piece of bread and pair it with your favorite breakfast drink. Just like that. Presto, and just like that, delicious breakfast is served. Bon appetit! Ah shit. Oh.